How you rebuild trust. Once you have lost trust, once you have made a mistake, the way you can rebuild trust is by giving a sincere, real apology. So let's say you cheated on your partner. Your partner found out that you cheated on them. So now what you have to do is you have to apologize to your partner sincerely. Your apology should be real. It should come from here. Like your partner should feel that your apology is real. Your partner should feel that you genuinely are sorry for what you did. So this is so crucial. If you want to rebuild trust after cheating on your partner, the most crucial thing is to apologize sincerely. Your apology should come from here, from here. Your partner should feel that you are genuinely sorry for what you did. And you have to be remorseful. What do I mean by remorseful? Well, you have to, you know, prove to your partner that you will never ever make that mistake again. So let's say you cheated on your partner, right? Now you have to prove to your partner that you will never ever cheat on them again. Remember what I said. Look at the wording that I'm using. Prove to your partner that you will never ever cheat on them again. I'm not saying you have to say to your partner that you will never ever cheat on them again. I'm saying you have to prove to your partner that you will never ever cheat on them again. So you have to prove it, not just say it. Just saying that, oh, I will never ever cheat on you again. Just saying that is not enough. You have to prove to your partner that you will never ever cheat on them again. Now there are a lot of ways that you there are a lot of ways through which you can prove to your partner that you will never ever cheat on them again. So let's say you cheated on your partner, right? So now the way you can prove to your partner that you will never ever cheat on them again is by, again, the key is to apologize sincerely. Your apology should be real, and you should be real. Like, you should be authentic. Be authentic. Don't lie. You know what I mean? Like, don't lie by saying, oh, I will never ever cheat on you again. No. Say it truthfully. Does that make sense? Like you have to authentically say to your partner that you will genuinely never ever cheat on them again. Like what I'm saying is, when you say to your partner that you will never ever cheat on them again, you have to say it authentically. Like your partner should feel that you are genuinely not going to cheat on them again, right? So when you say to your partner that, oh, I will never ever cheat on you again, your partner should feel that you will genuinely not cheat on them again, right? So basically you have to be authentic. You have to authentically not ever cheat on them again, right? So this is how you can prove to your partner. And there are a lot of things which you can do. For example, let's say you cheated on your partner, right? What you can do is you can bring that third person to your home, right? So let's say you cheated on your partner by having an affair with someone else. So now what you can do is bring that someone else to your home and bring your partner there too, and say to that someone else that you are no longer having an affair with him or her, whatever that someone else is. So you have to say to that someone else that you will never ever have an affair with them, that you made a mistake, that you only love your partner, and that you don't want to talk to them again, right? So be polite. There's no need to like be angry at that third person. All you have to do is bring that third person to your home, bring your partner there too, and then say to that third person that you will never ever talk to them again, that you are closing that affair, that you no longer want to have an affair with them, and that you only love your partner, right? Say these things to that third person in front of your partner. So yeah, there are a lot of ways through which you can prove to your partner that you will never ever cheat on them again, such as, again, bringing that third person who you had an affair with, bringing that third person to your home, and then saying to that third person that you made a mistake, you are closing this affair, you are no longer having an affair with them, and that you only love your partner, and that you made a mistake, and that you know you don't want to talk to them again. So this is how you can prove to your partner that you will never ever cheat on them again. So that's the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you need my help, I can help you save your marriage. I help couples save their marriage. I help couples rebuild trust. All you have to do is just go ahead, DM me on Instagram or on WhatsApp. Both are in the description box. Go ahead, DM me, and I am here to help. Thank you for watching this video. Peace.